So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++ 2015. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down, select your language, and then click on download. There's going to be two downloads, one for x64 and one for x86. We're going to download both of them. So you want to tick both the boxes and then click on download. They're now going to start downloading. The x64 one did not download for me, so I'm going to click right here, click here to download manually. I'm now going to select x64 again, and I'm going to download it. And now once you've downloaded both x64 and x86, you want to right click on one of them, and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both the downloads. We're now going to install them one by one. I'm just going to start with x64, I'm going to double click on it. And then once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. And then once that's been done, we can now close out of this. Now we're going to install the other one. For me it's going to be x86. I'm going to double click on it. And then tick the box, I agree. And then click on install. And then click on yes. Wait for this. Now once that's been done, we can now close out of this. For the last step, just restart your computer. And they're both going to be fully installed. That's how you do it.